I can't put soul-bound stuff in there. But can I?
You can put it in your personal bank. Yes.
Bank? Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So.
I think
Alright.
I think my accounting class is gonna come in handy trying to figure out how to do this bank. Bank. This is been
Very possible, Nuxai.
Yeah.
For the Alliance.
Okay, that can go over there. Alright. So I'm pretty much caught up. I just have to put some of this last bit of things into the guild bank and then, yeah, I'm done.
I'm not.
Nor am I.
No, I meant with my personal bank. I still have a few things I need to go through and sell, but I ain't doing that right now. Because I may have a priest that
And
can
we
use
do
it.
have a full group. I was going to suggest you guys need a break from cleaning the bags. We can do the
Yep.
I guess the celebration boss.
We can totally go do that. I just want to go. Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? I'm walking up the side of a freaking building, is what I'm doing.
We can wait till everybody's ready.
Yep.
Oops. I just did something. What did I do?
So I just turned myself around and I lost the damn bank.
If I get a 2% increase in a level, 2 levels, is it levels?
Thank you.
Of armor, 2 plus
I'm
armor,
following
5
you,
plus
Squawk.
stamina, but -1 intellect. Is that a big? Is that?
Where
is that
to?
And oh, I was gonna go back to the bank. I have to put a couple more things in the guild. How you holding up over there, Nuxai?
Fine, I'm good.
Okay. Alright, Trevor, let us know when you're done. Aim, you two, and you two, Squawk. Or, not Squawk, but...
A little bit of help here on green. Wait a sec. You know what? I forgot screen share. Asti's hiding in the background here, waiting for a screen share, and I never did it.